Online Metals is partnering with Paperless Parts to provide a tool that quickly assesses your design's manufacturability, provides quick material quotes, and allows you to purchase materials directly through onlinemetals.com. Let's dive right in. Start by uploading your CAD design or 2D drawing to Paperless Parts, which uses end-to-end encryption to store files in an ITAR-compliant data center. Then select the process type and material you plan on using. Use the geometric interrogation tools to check manufacturability and issues in real time. Next, let's head to the Online Metals widget and select your material shape. We can then determine our optimal material requirements based on how you plan on holding the material and the quantity your job requires. Click on the stock variable tooltips for a visual understanding of the different components. Now, get optimized materials pricing in seconds, calculate your per finished unit cost, and use the Buy Now button to purchase the sizes and quantities you need, straight from the onlinemetals.com product page. Save time and money, reduce scrap, and sign up for your trial today.